consecutive transformation means that we're going to be completing two transformations. So here we can see that we're doing both a translation and a reflection. So at the top it gives us a point, a1, -3, and we're going to be performing the translation first. So we're going to add 2 to the x value, so we go to the right 2, and we're actually not changing our y at all. It just shows our y as consistent. So that would be our a prime. From there, it wants us to do a reflection over the x-axis. So we can see that it's 1, 2, 3 units away. So we're going to go up 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And that's our a double prime. Now, on number 2, it's going to give us that same point, and we're being asked to do a translation, -4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is our a prime. Then it wants a y equals 2 reflection. And we would go up 2 to get to that line and up 2 from there. So it's a double prime. We call it a double prime because that means that we went through 2 transformations to get to that point. So that's why we know that a is the original, a prime is the middle, and then a double prime is the end. Segment. So we're going to start off by doing our x to -4. So the entire line has to be shifted to the left 4. So 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's our, oh, I put a double prime, but that's just a c prime. From there, it wants us to do a reflection over the x-axis again. So we're going to go, and this should be d. 1, 2, 1, 2, c double prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alrighty, there we go. Number 6 is asking us to show what happened with the composition transformation. So we know that we start at this one because it does not have any tick marks, and then we go to this one. It looks like to me a x-axis reflection. And then from there, it just looks like we literally slid the triangle over. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right. And we're going to go up 2. So a x plus 6, y plus 2 translation. All right. Graphing it originally. So if we take these coordinates, a, b, and c, our a prime, if we subtract 4 from 2, we're going to get -2, comma, 4 minus 3 or 1. We can get our b prime, which is going to be 3, 3, and c prime, which is going to be 1, -1. From there, we can do our reflection over the x-axis, which if we're flipping over the x-axis, we know our y's change, but our x's are staying the same. So our x is the same, and we just change the sign of our y value. So we get 3, 3, c prime, we get 1, 1. So then we can go ahead and graph those final points. 1, 2, 1, and make sure that we label them with our double primes. And we have our triangle. All right, that's the end of this video.